So good day, Motak! So for today, I'm going to show you a food place that offer unlimited food. Yes, right! For as low as 599, you can now have their unlimited buffet, unlimited samgyeopsal, unlimited seafoods, unlimited juice, and unlimited dessert. See? That's why it really worth what you pay. And what I really like the most here is their seafoods that you can request what cook you want. They have here pusit, hipon, talaba, and tahong. And I requested some shrimp to make it tempura. And I also request my favorite calamares. And in their unlimited buffet, there are different type of dishes, such as sisig, fried chicken, and etc. They make sure that every day they change the menu so that people always enjoy the dish. And guess what? What? In their unlimited samgyeopsal, you can taste all you want in their pork and beef that suits in different flavors. You can also have sushi and any of their Korean side dishes. They also have here some gummies and fresh fruits for the dessert. In terms on dining, their place is air conditioned, so it is very relaxing. It is very clean, and for me, it has a good ambience. They have many tables and chairs that can accommodate 30 to 50 packs. So what are you waiting for? Let's do this and taste it! Haha!
So good day sa inyo mga utak. Ngayong araw, nandito tayo sa Nabi Buffet Hot Pot and Grill sa may Kawit, Cavite to mga utak. At lahat ng yan, titikman natin. Kita nyo naman. Nabi Buffet Hot Pot and Grill lang. Tapat lang. So yun guys, tikman natin itong mga seafood nila guys. Ito mga seafood nila guys, hindi pa ito luto. Kayo na lang magpapaluto kung anong gusto nyo luto guys. Ito, pwedeng tempura, pwedeng buttered shrimp. Basta kayo bahala. Oh, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tikman natin to. So, double thumbs up. May kasama pang heart. Solid. Talaga. Lahat nga. Init.
So guys, all of that things you can only find here at Nabi Buffet Hot Pot and Grill in Kawit, Cavite. They are open Monday to Sunday, 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. And in location, they are located at Centennial Road, Barangay Batong Dalig, Kawit, Cavite. They are just near here in the Hidden Tapsihan, and they are just in front of the SNR Tire Supply. They are also along the road, so you can find them more easily. So that's it guys. Thanks for joining me, and always remember that sometimes it's okay to be alone, especially when you are eating. Mr. Motak, once again, sending love, peace, pew pew pew.